Kings, one of the top teams in the age group in the country, 27 class, 15 or 16 by certain counts, Division I commits. And here comes Southfleet with the ball coming out with the clear. Great run out. Great run out of the shot. Gotta love the energy right there. There's a young man. Scoreboard doesn't matter to him. He's playing. With those bright, he's making the ground hot with those bright orange cleats. He's tapping his head. He's out. But that was a great run out there by number 71, Hanley Sayers. He got the fast feet. And after the turnover, Southfleet will try to clear. Ball to 71. He's a human clearing machine. He has the quicks. Number 71 right there. Hanley Sayers. When you wear orange cleats, you better be fast. And he match up right there. And we have a goal. South Elite.